What's up, everybody? Today we're playing Chicken Gun. This is actually my second time. One time I played it, but I didn't show you guys because that time I didn't know how to actually make videos. The Hunt Elite Squad. Free mode. Build and survive. The Hunt. We played the Hunt. Okay, let's go play. So basically, all you gotta do is run away from a chicken, and then you can also kill other chickens, but depending on your weapon.
Yeah, you talking about the pocky? Yeah, the pocky right here, we're gonna mix to the whole. Yeah.
See, you can actually kill other people. Die! Today we're trying to go max level in this game. Why do I have two of these? Bro, we gotta wait 100 seconds to play the game. Kidding? Bro, who shot me? Okay, you know what's going on in the background? Wait, why am I getting shot at? Hehe. Go in. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here now, and I still have lost a lot of health. Build a base, huh? This is perfect. I love this. This is so fun. Oh. Okay, this is actually feels like real life. Now let's go build in the corner. Brick floor. Maxwell? Yes, I need Maxwell. I need Maxwell now. Where's Maxwell? And then stone. Okay, this may not look like the best looking base, but I'm trying, okay? Let's add some extra layers on the outside. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Hey, we got Maxwell, my friend. And then let's place Maxwell. Yes. I need Maxwell. Let's go, Maxwell the cat! Let's place Maxwell here. Maxwell. 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 Did I just kill Maxwell? I think I did. Is that? Okay, let's go find the drug chicken. Drive. Ah! I killed somebody. And I died. Wait, you can still build Huggy Wuggy Maze, yes. You know what, jail cell. Jail cell, jail cell. Oi. Bruh, why do I keep losing health? Literally. Okay, you know what? I gotta turn on my light. Flashlight. Yes. Oh shoot, a Huggy Wuggy's also here. Stone. Better. Do not go through there. Break. Barricade this up as good as possible. There. Better. Huggy's now gone.
Okay.
For now.
No remote. Yeah, no remote.
Yeah, don't go there.
Yeah. Make extra juicy, alright, whatever. Thank you.
Okay.
Holy cow! Hold up now. That's where Huggy is. Do you want me to? The ammo room. Ah! Really? Oh my god.
呢個狗狗嗬，
Uh,
呢個狗狗。
Go build a house. What the? So this is what you do. Brick floor. So does that mean we can actually no?
咩？有。
Let's go. Wait, what? Oh my god! Help! Okay, a lot of company. What does that mean? Nope, you're not running away. I killed him. Ah! I died. Yeah, that was like so stressful. Cinder. Bruh. Where are you going? Ah, let me go. Wait, no, I think that's a different map actually. I'm just rolling random. Oh, what just happened? I can literally see you. Also, you tried to do something gangsta. Okay. I remember there was actually a shop. I don't remember where. So I'm just gonna look for it. Where is it? I don't have it. Where is it? Thank you, I'm driving this car away. Let's drive away. Okay, let's build up a wall first. So anybody can get through unless if you are the tragic. Oh, bruh! Who shot me? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna help them. Okay, I'm just helping. Anita, you are dead. Bruh. We're literally building our way back to Earth. By Earth, I mean we are already dead. We got turned into fried chicken. Wait, somebody's coming up here. Okay, this guy's not trying to kill us. Let's go back. We're actually making our way back to the map. Yo! Yo, we're actually making it back. Jump! We made it! Wait, I can get in. What? Are you kidding me? We lost all our progress. Oh wait, who's shooting me? Bro died. Wait, I think, are you kidding me? this place off so nobody can ever get through. What? Okay, honestly, it's so dark. Oh shoot, the dread chicken's here. Help me get back. And I died. So, back to menu. Power gun. Okay, let's go. Guns. Very powerful, and I've only got that much. Meme. Okay, ignore my brother. Backpacks. One by one, the two lights. Bruh. That's so small. And that's not even how you spell coin. Let's go back. Build and survive. Build and prepare. Whoa. I can jump high. Wood, metal, laser. Wait. Now, what happens if I slip in it? Well, that was strange. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Let's kill this guy. Wait, no. No, he died. Whoa. Wait, is that the dread chicken? Whoa, now I'm a dread chicken. That's great. I think we're not supposed to let them get all the way over here. I think they're protecting us. I mean, those soldiers are protecting the people. Bruh, that guy's literally so tall. His legs. Ouch. Oh, I killed him. Okay, I just killed one person. I'm destroying this thing. Wait, let me try push it off. Push it. Push it. Bro, just push it off. No, don't push it there. Oh, we kill him. Are you kidding me? What is going on? Wait. I'm breaking this. Oh, shoot. Bruh, I'm on very low health. Last hit, I'm dead. And dead. Bruh. Okay, last. Yes, yes. Now I am also the soldier. Medal. Oh wait, I have 0 left. And I just died. Really? Okay, honestly, I'm just building a base. Oi, you! I'm gonna quickly respawn. That's what you get. Are you kidding me? wasted all my time. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh shoot, I'm dead, I'm dead. How? He didn't even touch me. Okay, you know what? I hate my brother. He just keeps talking. He's dumb, he has no brain cells, and he's very, very dumb. Shh. Okay, let's go. Bruh. 可不可以不要说话？
哎，
Adam， 闭嘴。Adam， 闭嘴。Wait, where are the actual chickens? Adam， 闭嘴。Nothing, it's just that my brother's dumb. Has no brain cells. Wait, is the chicken all the way there? Because I'm pretty sure that's a chicken holding the guns. But everybody survived. Bruh. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end up with this video because my dumb, stupid brother keeps talking.